Hello everybody, this is Sangeeta and welcome to my channel Saayujyam, the Art Zone. In the previous videos of design drawing, we saw types of designs, principles of design drawing and various techniques of practicing design drawing. Those who have missed seeing them can get the links from the description box. Now that we have practiced design drawing, we can try out our imagination on different shapes of things that we use in our day-to-day life. Today we will see how to draw a hand fan and beautify it with design drawing. I will quickly brief on how to draw this base shape. First we have to draw this outer circle that is of 10 cm radius. However, this depends on the size of your paper. Now this is the center of the circle. I have cut this circle from 6 cm from the center with a horizontal line and have given this shape of a hand fan. You may draw the inner circles or make partitions inside this as per your frame of designs. And then here I have drawn two parallel lines with width of 1 cm to make the holder. You may take the screenshot of this picture as a reference. I am marking the center here and will start drawing from this point on both ways. This will give an even look to the design. Now here I am drawing a freehand design. You may also divide this into 4 or more parts and do some symmetrical drawing. To know more on the techniques of symmetrical drawing, you may watch my videos on symmetrical and asymmetrical drawings. I have provided the links in the description box. I have drawn this design from the center point. Now I will replicate this design on both the sides using the techniques of symmetrical drawing. You may also try out similar looking motifs all over this part. This is how it will be. We have to take care that the end on both the sides look similar, and this is why we start from the center. Now we will create the frills by drawing vertical lines at approximately equal distance. The lines can be little curved. We will give this shape at the edge to show the folds of the frills. You may darken this part. Now let's draw the holder of the hand fan. After finishing the drawing, you can rub out the extra lines here. We will complete this design by shading in some places and by drawing over it again to darken it and get the final look. So this is how it will look after finishing. Please do comment your views on this design. Also like and share this video if you found it useful. Those who have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of my new videos. I will come up with more on design drawing in the next video. Till then, keep practicing, take care, and bye-bye.